Hey guys, what is up? This is Julie here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. As always, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, kick the like button on this video and all of my other videos, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new content. Anyways, I am super excited to be dropping this video for you all tonight. For those of you who visit the community page of my channel, for the past week, maybe 2 weeks, I've been announcing that I'm, trying to, get together some new creative, innovative ways to help the nurse aide student and candidate gain a better understanding of both the theory information and also the skills information. So what you are looking at right now is a game that I designed, I created it, and it's all DIY. I did everything. I made the board. I'm gonna see if I can get in a little closer here. So look at that board. Isn't it beautiful? I'm just like super proud of myself. So this is like the setup of it. I've already submitted my application for the trademark and also for the copyright. So that's why I'm showing it to you all tonight. The name of the game is CNA Quest. I actually had to change the name just once. So, it wasn't, that rough coming up with the name. But the name that I did want, it was already trademarked. So I did have to come up with another name. But the game includes 32 quest cards. Those are the quest cards there. 64 theory cards, and this is just for one section of the nurse aide curriculum, the introduction to healthcare agency. So you'll get 64 cards. Other card decks are going to be available individually, so you can purchase those individually. And then right now I only have 40 skills cards made. But once I get the remaining skills cards, it'll probably be close to like 80 skills cards. The game will come with 5 pawns. And there you go right there. Green, blue, red, black, and yellow. And 2 dice. Yes. And I'm going to just back this up a little bit. I am like really excited about this because this is the actually the first game that I have created and designed. I'll tell y'all a little bit more about it, how to play it, but I just wanted to drop this video so you all could see what I have been working on for the past couple of weeks. Really fun game. I had some of my students play the prototype, and I think that I actually posted the video of them playing the prototype on my YouTube channel earlier. But this is like this is the game right here, okay? And it is going to be a lot of fun. You are going to learn. Not only are you going to learn the information, but you will gain a better understanding of the information. And most importantly, playing this game, you will be able to retain the information. So probably within the next week, I'll start taking pre-orders for the game. Usually takes me about 3 days to actually make the board, because I already got the templates and everything, from me creating the game with the prototype. So it's not gonna, I don't have to worry about trying to, make the templates because I've already created the template for it. So all I have to do really is just make the board, make the cards, and it's great. It's awesome. I'm just like really proud of myself for doing this. So if you want to pre-order the game, and again, I have not decided on a price for the game. But when I do, I will let you all know. So I guess you don't want to pre-order, right? If you don't know the price. But in order to market the game, when I first start selling it, I'm going to sell it at a savings, maybe like a 25% savings from the actual cost. But again, I haven't decided on that yet. I have to, figure out how much, I have to pay out of pocket to get everything made and printed out and all that good stuff. And so, but yeah, I just wanted to share with you all this game. And if you haven't seen the video of my students playing the game, go ahead and look at it, and you'll see how much fun they're having playing. And they're actually learning, because a lot of that information they actually forgot, right? They're getting ready to graduate on Wednesday, but they were having fun playing it. And when you have fun learning, you tend to retain the information better and longer. Okay, so this is the game board. I'm going to zoom in again before I end this video. Uh-oh, that was too big, huh? So there you go. There's the game board, CNA Quest. I've already submitted my application for trademark and for copyright. So again, that's why I'm going ahead and dropping the video and letting y'all see the game. Okay, so this is it. I'm so happy. I'm actually going to be having this or selling this on my Etsy storefront and also on teacherspayteachers.com. So yeah, if you are interested, you don't have to pre-order, because I wouldn't pre-order anything either myself if I did not know the cost. But if you are interested in the game, if you could just comment on, in the comment section below this video, okay? And let me know if you would be interested in purchasing the game, or if your training site would be interested, or even your instructor. Okay, again, it's a really, really cool game. It is all DIY. I made everything by hand. So I'm really proud of myself, really. This is like my first game that I created and designed, and there will be more to come. Excuse the mess in the back. I'm in my home office and it is messy. But yeah, so if you're interested, let me know in the comments section, and we'll take it from there, okay? And there we go. Let's zoom in again. There we go. Oh, I can't get it. There we go. All right. So there's the board game. And the board game is very sturdy. I believe this is 16 by 16 board game. There are your board spaces here. And then again, you have theory cards, you have your quest cards, and you have your skill cards. You're going to get 5 pawns. Those are the game pieces, and 2 dice. Okay. So, and then you'll be able to purchase additional theory cards individually. The theory cards that will come with the game are going to be from the Nurse Aide curriculum, Section 1, Introduction to Healthcare Agencies. Okay. And then the other 6 sections you'll be able to purchase individually. All right, so if you are interested, let me know. And then when I get more information as far as pricing, I'll drop another video. Okay, thank you all. Love you guys. Mwah. Keep smashing it. Ciao.